Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yogi Arianto. You can call me Yogi. In this opportunity, I would like to explain you about repeater unit for VHF radio communication. First, I will explain you about what is radio repeater, and then I will explain the characteristic of VHF spectrum and how does a radio repeater work. Finally, you will know how to make a radio repeater. Okay, radio repeater is a device simultaneously receive the signal radio and retransmit it again in a high power. Its purpose is to make cover for greater distance, and this enable to communication between radio user in abstraction or distance problem like this. In this picture show the path of signal blocking by a building, and in this picture signal blocking by the highland or mountain or a giant rock. Okay, next, very high frequency characteristic. VHF work at frequency 30 MHz up to 3000 MHz, and this propagation ideal for short range terrestrial communication for the line of sight transmitter to transmitter. VHF more resistant to atmospheric disturbance and electrical equipment interference, but VHF more easily blocking by land feature like mountain or cliffs, but building do not really impact for communication. Next, how does a radio repeater work? I have two configurations for a repeater system. First configuration using two antenna for communication, one for transmitter and one for receiver. And in configuration 2 only need one antenna for transmitter and receiver, but you must have a duplexer for make it. And next, radio repeater design. Maybe I will explain very fast for this step. First, we must tuning the duplexer using two frequency, two channel transmit TX and channel receiver RX. Next, we must assemble antenna V2R. This is a type antenna for VHF radio communication, especially for radio repeater. Next, making feeder for antenna to repeater using connector PL256. Next is SWR and impedance measurement using MSJ analyzer. This step is important for greatest communication in a radio handy talkie. Next is a repeater setting. In this project I using Motorola repeater. series SLRs, tools needed. This is tools for a setting repeater. First is software motor turbo and cable USB cable type A to type B. This configuration in software there is have a three step. And next, this is a configuration in a wiring block. There is have a LNA, low noise amplifier, and LP or lightning protection. And this is a final radio repeater installation. LNA, TX repeater, RX repeater, RX duplexer, TX duplexer, antenna, and lightning protection. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.